Right, this is one of those problems in adding fractions that the state said be mindful of how we start doing these. So do some moves first. And they did it because they want to stop seeing. They want to see number one us not using the butterfly method to find a common denominator or to compare fractions. So they're going to throw in extra stuff at the kid that if they start doing all that stuff, it gets a little complicated. Best way honestly to do this one is to line up those denominators and just get the common denominator, the least common factor or greatest sum, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to start with 12, and I'll do my 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. I'll stop there. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, and you're going to keep going till you hit what? Here's 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then I get to where? 60. So my common denominator for all three will be 60. Common denominator for all three will be 60. Then what times 12 gives me 60? 12 times 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times what gave me 60? Well, 5 times 12. And then 3 times what gave me 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times, let's see here, times 6 times 18. And this was what? 5 times something. 5 times 12 times 12, yep. 5 times 5 times 5, there it is. And then all I do is add these guys up. And I'm getting, I think I'm getting 35. Yep, 35 over 60, which happens to be my answer. And that's it. You could use fraction bars, fraction circles, that kind of stuff. It would have worked, right? To kind of eyeball each answer. Even things like, let's see here, 1/12 would be like that much. 1/5 would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, about that much, which gives you 2 over here now, right? And then 3/10 would have been, about that much, which you would have put it over here, and then say, look, it's over a little bit over a half, that kind of thing. Could have eyeballed it as well, even though this is almost a half. I think this is probably the best way to do it over here, and then just work it out this way. But butterfly line stuff in this one, it'll get very complicated because you'll be multiplying that 5 times 3, 5 times 10 to get a 50, and then the 12, all that good stuff here. Just find that common denominator and move on. Hope this helps.